Hello fellas, I'm Jimmy and I welcome you to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove backgrounds fast and free, because we all love free stuff. So first of all, we have to go to this website, remove.bg or remove.background. I am going to leave the link on the description. And I already have here a Squirtle, as you can see, with a horrible black background. We don't want that, we want to remove that, right? So what we have to do is just drag this Squirtle here and drop it. And the website will do most of the work, or even 100% of the work sometimes. But here's what I like the most of this website. I can edit it. I'm going to just erase and restore. Okay, here I click erase, and here I can make the brush bigger or smaller, zoom in, zoom out, and undo in case we screw up, right? So I start working on it, and
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Voila! After downloading, now we have a beautiful PNG Squirtle. Thank you.